It was so raining throughout, but it's your presence brought sun so bright. So it is again, you are the great ones. When I was told about this program, and that too on this auspicious occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, it's really Swami Vivekananda used to say, it's the muscles to be strengthened and then the mind will be strengthened. And that is the strength which is needed for this country today. And you have proved that, as Sir has already congratulated you on behalf of every one of us. And once again, I congratulate you for covering such a distance and coming here still look so energetic. And it's really amazing to see it. So, Vivekananda Kendra stands for that. And therefore, it is a wonderful opportunity given to Vivekananda Kendra to invite all of you here. And you know, Vivekananda Kendra is a spiritually oriented service organization working for the nation with the message of Swami Vivekananda, man making nation building. The man has to be strong. Such man is needed. Man with capital letter M is needed. And the founder of this organization is Mananiya Eknathji Ranade, coming from Maharashtra, who was selected to, come here to construct the memorial on the rock for the great saint of our motherland, Swami Vivekananda. And then after that construction of such a great memorial, national memorial on for Swami Vivekananda, an organization, a living organization for the taking the message of Swamiji started here. That is called Vivekananda Kendra, which has got it is a cadre organization who dedicates their life for the nation. They are called as Jeevan Vardis. I am coming from that cadre, and standing in front of you is really very much inspiring. And Vivekananda Kendra is having so many activities throughout the country. And you know, you are sitting in such a place where all the great personalities are in front of you, such a great personalities. And they are all the real sons of our motherland. And you are such great ones. And once again, I congratulate, not only congratulate, wish that your further journey going back from here, you take that inspiration of from Swami Vivekananda. Sardar Vallabhai Patel was so much impressed, so much inspired by Swami Vivekananda. Taking Swamiji's message, each soul is potentially divine. When you go back from here, this message should go. In everybody there is a potential divinity. सभी के अंदर में वो दैवत्व है, वो spirituality है, जो हमारे जीवन में जो कुछ हम करते हैं, इसको एक साथ लाने के लिए होना चाहिए. और किस लिए लाना है? वो हमारे देश का भलाई होना चाहिए. ये देश आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. सबको वो मैसेज देना चाहिए. हम ही कहते हैं कि सब एक है. वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. ये जो मैसेज है, ये भारत का मैसेज है. ये मैसेज आप वापस जाते समय जरूर दीजिएगा. और विवेकानंद केंद्र